Good. My time has come. You must continue your journey without me.
Yeah, businessman right there. Hello everyone, happy Monday. Welcome to Mzansi's Finest Videos. This is Davis Mokomo. I hope you'll enjoy this one. Please like, comment and share.
Ladies, mara why halele pregnant ka bana ba magula le ba khipa. Mara ba rona le di kerese le ko ma di gase, di diesel, di petrol, le hlapa mahloka di polish ke eng re le ntseng se skana kana mara.
Meriri ha e tshwane.
It's on Nadia Bora sometimes. Guys, are you there? Everything. Obvious everything. React research.
Like angazi if ngihlukumeza ngiyi-1 lento lena or kanjani abafana basakwazi ukushelana and ngiyakubona emall uyangibona uyangibingelela nami ngiyakubingelela siyandlulana kanje sesilokho sibhekene siyasmile nawe uyawalka nami ngiyawalka like opposite directions komele kenzakaleni ngijike ngize kuwe
wena
like akwazi ukujika uze kimi ukungimise ukungitshela ukuthi ngikumele ungirize apho uzuthola amanamba like anisakwazi anisakwazi because manje sesibonene siyabona ukuthi soyithu si interested but manje angeke ngijike ngize kuwe because ngizoza kuwe ngizenzani ngicela amanamba ungibulisile
Bluetooth. Hey, how online classes be?
No one wants to answer. I want to just pick on someone. Okay. Antonio?
Antonio?
Yes?
Where were you?
I was here the whole time. My Wi-Fi was lagging.
Okay. What's the answer to number 2?
36?
What? Antonio, this is English.
Oh.
And hona le ngwana no mong o iketsitse fela maphodisa o namela ke ditsotsi fela ha o se le spinner ha o nyake yes ba re ke makotsumela batho ngwanyana ba le sotla bana itse nahana o ime because of papa ngwana nana le phenyana tse fonyana.
Do you guys remember in primary school where you used to get tax shop money like on a Friday? Most of us, you get beat once a week.
Get money?
Others, your parents would steal you. Mine were, bro.
Tax shop
once a week, you get a young 20 rand, bro. They set you up. You're like, yeah, life is nice. You get to school in the morning. Most of you guys have 20 rand, 30 rand, whatever, bro. Wow. You're playing in the morning, and then you get to line up. Then you feel your pocket, bro. There's no money there. Now you realize life is technical, bro. I have no lunch. What's gonna happen? And you also realize you're in a dishonest school, bro. There's many thieves and thugs there. There's nobody who's gonna find 20 rand and take it to the office, and then they're gonna share a young thing on the intercom. Did somebody lose 20 rand at the? That's not gonna happen, bro. You're screwed, bro. But you know the thieves in your school. You know Mtutuzi usually steals, bro. And Mtutuzi came with lunch today, but somehow he has money. Tutuzi, I know that 20 rand you're holding is mine. I can't prove it, bro. But my fingerprints were on that money before you, dog. But now life is technical, bro. You have to watch people buy food, and you know you are supposed to buy food too, but you can't now. Now you're the person who's begging for food. Oh.
And
That is cutting some tutus.
are kaleboa. It's a young It's a young and Mocha Kona will dreams about. I explain or already komu eja pizza king. It's a young
I mean, khona kunzima ne, mara at least eza minkinga ngiyakhona ukuzibhala ngeEnglish yabona. Futhi yazi angikho lapho. Bengithi mina ne ngabe indaba zabantu zikhulunywa ngesilungu ngabe kupholile sheme kaSlama.
Yewe bafethu sayiphila imfishi yempilo idoti life into ngokweqonda kule minyaka yamanje thina singabantu abamnyama. Into ngeke uze understand mfethu onganamali ufisa ukuba nemali abanemali bafethu bahlukumezekile bayijabulela imali yabo bayithole ngokuthwala abahlushwa zinyoko obusuku nemini. Ongashadile ufuna ukungena emshadweni abashadile bafuna ukuphuma emshadweni ibhodo liyashisa. Abajolayo bafuna ukuba serious khona lapha emjolweni bephinde futhi bejolelane khona emjolweni. Ongasebenzi ukhuleka mihla nemalanga lapho ufuna imisebenzi osebenza akusalaleke ebusuku uyayisola nokuthi usebenzelani ukukweze ikweletu negama lakhe lingcolile ufuna indlela yokuhlanza igama lakhe aphinde othatha ilona abuyele ikweletini inyakanyaka nje mfethu yempilo into ngeke uziqonde ngeke uziunderstand. Aba straight bathuka amagay lapha kuma social media kodwa ebusuku ibona abanyonyobela amagay seweze babizwa ngama after 9 kuyilapha amagay wasabanakile abhizi ngecareer yabo kuba izangoma kuyanyakazela nje mfowethu. Abasemakhaya bafuna ukuye eGoli bozama impilo abaseGoli bayisolve babe wenzani sebefisa ukubuyela emakhaya bayasaba ukuthi bazoba inhlekisa ngoba bazobuya benganalutho. Imfishi nje into ngokuziqonda mfowethu siphila isidemeda ngazi ukuthi senzeni thina abantu abamnyama impilo nje ngathi ihamba ngale yaminyaka edlule kumnyama nje.
Osigwakani wena unamehlo ama-fireball mokhala uthi ziyababa
Wena leyo imude ngakhona kini mawukhala bakusula ngemobo namazinya amancane uzathumbila semaplazini ne-makeup epink uzathi power range notshani enhloko
Ntsere kopantitse ditlhatlho gona yaanong ko bedroom. In conclusion guys ayikhona lore acha iya komaleng hefetsa inkise magwafa.
Nna ke dilo ntsa bjang gore bjang ne mara ba rena ko hae Cinderella o thobotse setlhako se se one setlhako fela Cinderella and a kra lerato she found love wena o thobotse le penti mara still go no tshwana awa ake happy sham
just because of usithola abantu abasithandayo akusho ukuthi nawe uzomthola yebo kusemhlabeni la uyahlanya kanje
Ungafaka uniform bangambona ukuthi thathe faka uniform asithathela
I'm a poison. Uthi
hayi ndoda kanti uthi yini entekhe ithi mina ubahangelisa ekhanye
babudubuli
ungakhohlwa izona sithatha ngichange yethu lapha kuma friend ngekho ngula mapho mapho ayashisa
Aw, ushwile mos.
To cook pap and sausage the farm way. You first boil your sausage. Sausage is boiling, you throw in some veggies in there.
Literally.
As it boils there together with the veggies, you want the mixture of. As it boils nicely, then you will then take out the sausage. Those juices, you just throw in some margarine there. Throw in your pap there, your mili. You make sure that the flavor locks in. If the flavor comes in, stay.
What's this now?
See that it's coming alright, you throw in those sausages back again there. And then you stir. You stir. And then you're enjoying, man. It's like a meal, eh?
Yeah, labona batho ba hloka cooking school. Thanks for making this far. I hope to see you in the next upload. Azish.
Kapuna ya tatu manime